The 3 things that blew up my gym progress in like 2 months is pretty much very simple, and I'm gonna break it down in this video very shortly. So pretty much the first thing is doing 6 to 8 reps. This is so important because when you do less than 5 reps, you're building strength and it doesn't build much muscle. If you're doing more than 8 reps, it does build muscle, but it's just more fatiguing for your muscle. So therefore, you should do 6 to 8 reps. So if you're doing bicep curls, you should do 6 reps of bicep curls, 7, and then 8, 6, 7. But as soon as you get to 9 reps on bicep curls, you should up the weight so it goes back up to 6. So you do 6, 7, yeah, whatever. The second thing is eating 30 eggs per day. Eating 30 eggs per day skyrockets everything. Your testosterone, your fucking dick, how it works, your muscles, your mind, everything. Eggs, OP as fuck. So from now on, you should eat 30 eggs per day. 10 in the morning, 10 in the middle of the day, and 10 like before you go to sleep. Something like that. And the third thing that is most important is getting a gym partner that's relatively the same strength as you or that trains as hard as you. And if you do all of these 3 things, you'll instantly blow up your gym progress. Just stick to it for 2 months.